Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I greet you all from wherever you are watching me from. And so today, I'm in the beautiful city of Ibeju-Lekki, Okegun, precisely, and I'm here at Alphamark Prime. So the reason I'm here today is because an investor in Diaspora subscribed to 500 square meter plot at Alphamark Prime. So the investor, after subscribing, I sent the investor the layout of this estate so that she can select the plot she wants in this estate. So after selecting the plot, I told her that I'm going to physically inspect the land so that I can actually see what the plot number looks like on ground to be sure that whatever she selected actually fits her preference. So if today's your first time coming across my channel, I'd like you to please click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we post new videos on this channel. So I'd like you to please share this video, also comment, share your thoughts and opinion, also watch this video till the end and see how this process is done. Follow me. Okay, so currently I am here with the estate layout, Alphamark Prime. So I'm looking at the estate layout. Mr. Jami,
yes.
The client is interested in plot 12. Plot 12, block B, plot 12.
Okay.
This is block A.
Yes, this is A. All this side from the gate.
Okay.
All this side.
So this is 1,000 square meter.
Yes.
From the layout, that's what I'm seeing.
Yes, there's a 1,000 square meter here.
Okay, so from this layout, it shows that from this gate,
yes,
road comes like this.
All the way from the gate.
And it goes like this, straight down. So, but I'm seeing another road that connects like this.
Yes, there's a road
the exit gate
that goes to the exit gates.
Good. Okay, so let's track the plot block B, plot 12. You understand? Because she wants to be sure that the plot she has selected matches her preference. You understand? To be sure, look at the topography of the land and all that, so that she can be sure that what she selected is actually what she wants. So that's why we're doing this video.
No problem.
So this is like pre-allocation. You understand? So once this is done, we can then proceed with doing the registered survey and deed of assignment.
Yes.
So she has made payment for this land. So we want to go and see what
the plot 12 looks like before
the physical allocation. So follow us. Let's go. I think the plot 12 is down there.
Yes.
Let's go. Follow us.
With the layout, the plot 12 is beside the corner piece.
Okay, so beside. Okay. So that this straight road now coming from the gates.
Yes.
Where does it go to now?
It goes straight.
That means you're on the road like this.
Yes, we are walking on the road.
Okay, how many? What's the size of this road?
We have 12 meter.
12 meters road. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
We have
the road here like this.
We have 12 meter
from the gate.
From the gate.
Okay.
We are doing 1.5 for drainage left and right, and we are doing 9 meter for the
so
road.
This plots. I think this plot I'm seeing here. Okay. What plot number is this?
And this should be
plot 10.
Yes, this is 10.
Okay, this is 10. Okay.
Yes, this is 10.
That's block A plot 10.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, block A plot 10.
So 12 should be down.
12 is just adjacent to this.
Okay. So which means plot 12, block B plot 12 is opposite block A plot 12 from the layout. That's what I'm seeing. Look at it. 12.
Yes, yes.
They're opposite each other.
So this is the corner piece.
Okay.
See, just the way the road is coming straight down. There's another one that goes through.
Okay.
On this place. So there's a corner piece on this side too.
Okay.
But that's not the one we are going.
Okay.
I'm trying to look for the beacon.
Okay.
But this is where we will have.
Okay. So actually this is where the road.
Yes.
Coming from the gate.
From the gate.
The road goes like this. Go straight to the exit.
Go straight to the exit.
Where those houses are.
Yes.
Go straight. See that gate there.
Yeah, that's the gate.
That's the gate.
Over there.
So which means plot 12 should be somewhere around here.
We are actually on plot 12.
Okay.
Like this now.
Okay.
Because that is the corner piece there.
Okay.
That's the corner piece for this one.
Okay.
And plot 12 is the next plot after the corner piece.
Okay, good. Okay.
So we are actually on plot 12.
Okay, good.
Plot 12 goes down, but not to the end.
Okay, so
there's another plot. Behind 12.
So this is plot 12. I'm looking at now.
We are on plot 12 now.
Okay, so the road is here. So which means this plot 12 now is facing this road.
It's facing this road.
Okay.
Just as we see in the layout.
Okay.
Plot 12 is facing this road. Block A is facing this road. Block B is also facing this road.
So this block B plot 12 is opposite block A plot 12. Which is that?
Yes, this is plot 12 here.
Okay.
Yes, this is plot 12 here.
Okay, so there's a 12-meter road that separates both plots.
Yes.
Block A plot 12 and block B plot 12.
That's correct, sir.
Okay, so this is plot 12 now, where I'm standing on plot 12. Okay. This is good. The land is dry. Topography 100%. It's not waterlogged.
Even after
yes, it rained this
heavy
morning.
rain.
It rained back to back yesterday.
Yes.
It rained for
almost the whole day.
Almost 10 hours or 12 hours yesterday. Back to back. I was supposed to come and do this video yesterday, but because of the rain, I couldn't.
You had to reschedule.
I had to reschedule for today. So topography is okay. This is the plot. So it's just it should end somewhere around that place.
Yes.
Maybe somewhere around here.
There's another plot.
Okay.
At the back.
Okay. The land is dry. It's dry. Okay, it's dry.
Yes.
So that means it ends somewhere around here.
Yes.
Most
definitely. It will be ending around somewhere here.
Somewhere around here. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now I want you to please film the gate.
Yes.
You can see we're seeing the come close to so that they can see the gate. So
that's the gate there. The white.
You see that white gate there? That's where the gate is. You can see the gate from there. You can see the gate. Okay, that's the gate.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the gate.
So it's just very close to the gate. Very close to the gate. Okay. That's good. Very close to the gate. Okay. But the topography is 100. 100. It's 100. It's 100. It's not waterlogged. Okay. It's good. I would inform the client, and there are houses around. See those houses around. See, film those houses. Okay. That's good. So we're good to go. Topography is good. Okay, so it means after this plot 2, there's another plot again.
Another plot
at the back of plot 12. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So we're good to go.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you very much, Mr. Jami. We're good to go.
Mr. Collins.
I would have to forward this video to the investor in Diaspora that subscribed to Alphamark Prime. She's the one that selected block B plot 12. So I needed to physically see what the plot looks like on ground, because what she did was select it on paper layout. So I had to physically come and see to be sure that the topography is 100.
Just like we said.
You understand? Because as we usually do here is to provide clients with safe, secure, profitable related investment. So we need to be sure that the land is completely dry, because the client signified that she will start building soon. And so, this exactly. So we need to be sure that what she's buying is 100% dry land, and the topography is 100. You understand? Where she can start building immediately. Thank you very much, Mr. Jamiu. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yes, God bless you. Thank you very much. So this is what block B plot 12 looks like, and this is what we do for investors in Diaspora, basically the ones that are not yet available in Nigeria. What we do is to help them physically see what their plot looks like before proceeding to do the registered survey, and also getting the deed of assignment for their plot of land. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, like I said, please click on the subscription button, click on the notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever we post new videos on this channel. This property you're seeing right there is located here at Okegun in the beautiful city of Ibeju-Lekki. This property you see is less than 5 minutes drive to the Lekki-Epe expressway, the 18.75 kilometer road from Eleko junction to Epe junction, 18.57 kilometer road. Less than 5 minutes drive to that road, and also less than 5 minutes drive to the proposed Lekki International Airport. Lekki International Airport is just here. Less than 5 minutes drive to the Lekki International Airport. So it's strategically located. It's also less than 5 minutes drive to the regional road. The regional road that connects Ibeju-Lekki to Badore in Ajah, that connects Ibeju-Lekki to Freedom Way in Lekki, and also the third mainland bridge. So this property is strategically located. This property is also less than 8 minutes drive to the road that leads you to Dangote Refinery, the free trade zone. This property is strategically located, and it is not just strategically located. It comes with a good title, government approved Excision. The Excision number is displayed on the screen. Obayomi Village Excision. This property is 100% dry land, and you can see there are houses around. So it's buy and build estate. So today I'm here so that I can show the investor that subscribed to this estate what the plot she chose on the layout looks like. So please give me a call so I can help you reserve plots or acres here at Alphamark Prime in the beautiful city of Ibeju-Lekki. It can only get better. So see you at the top. Thank you.